Hey YouTube, it's Health Tornado here, and today we're going to talk about inflammation and what the cause of inflammation is. So basically, the main cause of inflammation is poor diet loaded with sugar, all these highly processed oils, corn oil, canola, vegetable, all garbage, all inflammation based. Also, lack of sleep. So let's dive in here and take a look at some super inflammation reducers you can get on definitely on this protocol. So first is MSM. This is bioorganic sulfur. But in processing food, it gets processed out. It naturally occurs in the rain cycle. This is a great product. I also featured this in a superfoods video you got to check out. What this does is this gets rid of metabolic waste in the cells. When you can get rid of that, then this will help reduce inflammation in the body. So you definitely want to get on MSM. Protocol is 1 heaping teaspoon in an ounce of water or your favorite juice or smoothies. It is a little bitter, so you might want to put it in a juice or something like that. I take it in water myself. Next up, ancient, great product here, turmeric. This is an awesome product here. Many benefits of taking this. There's a 2015 meta-study that shows that there's an enzyme in the body that kicks in and helps reduce inflammation. So you definitely want to get into this. It's also anti-aging properties, another superfood here, but a great anti-inflammatory. You want to get on, and of course, fish oil. You want to take 1/4 teaspoon of this one. I like this product here. 1/4 teaspoon in a 1/4 ounce of water. Next up is the fish oil from Biotics Research. Phenomenal EPA, DHA. It rebalances a pathway in your body, which is going to do what? Reduce inflammation. So again, and it's also going to, as an antioxidant, it's also going to help with diabetes, bone health, neurodegenerative diseases, heart disease. It's all going to help prevent all that stuff. So again, inflammation reducing. Here we go again. So another phenomenal. This is 1 tablespoon. I like this version because it's liquid. Right, it's bioavailable right down the hatch. So you want to take this one. It's great here. And last but not least is the cherry extract from Montmorency. Actually from Stanton Orchards. Montmorency is the cherry extract. It contains an antioxidant called anthocyanins, which again reduces free radicals, reduces inflammation in the body. So you want to get on this. It really has to be this brand. There's a lot of them out there, but it has to be Stanton Orchards, because Stanton Orchards does not pasteurize. Once you pasteurize, it's a waste, and it doesn't, you kill all the benefit aspects of the product. Shake this really good because it's an extract. And then you're going to want to take 2 tablespoons for maintenance. If you have an injury or more pain, you can go 4 to 6. So definitely want to get on this. And be sure to click on all the links below. That's going to show much more detail of these products if you wish to find out more detail. So definitely you want to get on these. They're actually going to reduce inflammation in the body. Also, yeah, I forgot to, this is also going to help you sleep. So again, it's going to help you sleep, which is also going to help reduce inflammation. I forgot to mention that with the cherry extract. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and get on the anti-inflammatories. Do it now.